Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by signing into the console as the account owner. That gives you the permissions required. Once signed in, go directly to Settings, then Account, and choose Family or Privacy Controls. Make sure your Xbox is online and you have your Microsoft account credentials handy on a second device. This speeds any verification prompts. You're taking the first actionable step now. Locate the Smart Screen or Content Filter sections within Privacy and Safety to prepare for toggling protections off. Once you've reached the privacy area, find the Smart Screen or Content Filter subsection and inspect each toggle. If the console asks for verification, sign into Account. Microsoft. Com on your phone or PC and approve the action. This prevents lockouts. Change the Smart Screen toggle to off and adjust related app or web filters the same way. After switching settings, press Save or Confirm so the console receives the update. You're halfway done. Give the system a minute to sync these new permissions across your profile. To finish, restart the Xbox so the console pulls the updated account policies. A cold restart is often required. Once rebooted, test by accessing an app or site previously blocked. If it still blocks, perform a full power cycle. Hold the power button, unplug for 10 seconds, then restart. If issues persist, sign into your Microsoft account online, inspect family or child account restrictions, and remove them if present. That single troubleshooting tip, verify account-level family restrictions, solves most.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.